lot of news out of Apple yesterday, which I know a lot of people still think of Apple as a hardware company, but which of course it is, but the services business has grown to 24% of revenue. It's $20 billion a year. It's 40% of gross profit, and on a trailing 12-month basis has represented about 74% of their total gross profit growth. So it's definitely become more meaningful to the overall business, in the last several years than it was, call it 5-7 years ago. And I think going forward, as Apple makes a bigger push into advertising, the services line item is going to be even, more important. So on that, Apple announced that it's going to raise price across its suite of services. So Apple Music individual plans going to $10.99 a month from $9.99 a month. The family plans going to $16.99 a month, up from $14.99 a month. That's important because it's now more expensive than Spotify, which is at $9.99 a month for the individual plan and $15.99 a month for the family plan. And music streaming is largely viewed as a commodity service with relatively low switching costs, which makes raising price difficult if you're trying to do so at a faster rate compared to your peers. So again, if everyone raises price, maintains relative value, it's a lot easier to do so. So for Spotify, which look, we don't have a directional view on it at the moment, but I do think it's a net positive because they're either going to benefit in terms of churn or subscriber growth because they're now better relative value compared to Apple, or they're also going to now raise price, which should help with margins and revenue growth without risking an offsetting increase in churn. Apple's also raising price on TV Plus, so that's going up 40% to $6.99 a month from $4.99 a month. And this is after, this price increase from Apple is after Google announced several weeks ago was raising the price on YouTube Premium family plan to 28% to $23 a month. And then, of course, we have Netflix that's raising price, Disney's that's raising price. So, streaming inflation is accelerating and is a major theme here. Everybody seems to be doing it amid slowing growth.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there, subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.